today I'm going to present you the Quartz box. It's a terminal which is equipping, it's an equipment for the Sulky Spreaders, the Sulky drills and also the Sky drills. It's an ISA-bus terminal with 8 inches, colored and touchscreen. So we can manage all the functions with that terminal. It means that we can manage up to 4 hoppers and we can manage up to 4 different application rates with having 4 different menus. The first menu is the working menu. It's actually showing what we are sewing. Today I got 3 different kind of seats. I got width, alpha, and flex. I got tramline. I got the number of rows and the working speed. And then if I move to the second menu, which is actually the settings menu, here I can have all the parameters for the 3 different hoppers. Hoppers 1, I can choose how many kilos of hectares of seeds I want to put, and then that is giving us the calibration ratio to put on the machine. So I know that on the scale I need to put 39 with normal speed. Then I do it for the 3 hoppers. It's the same operation. It's very easy and user friendly. When you set the hoppers, you can set after the most important is also tramline. Then you choose tramlining. And here it's a very nice option. It's called the E-drive. The E-drive, it's a function which will give you the possibility to adjust the working width of the seed drills according to the working width of the spreader or the sprayers. So it means on that machine, that's a 3-meter seed drills, and I got 24 meters spraying width. So I just enter 24 meters, and then after I enter the width of the tires, the tractor tires, and that will automatically manage the rows according to where you are in the field. It will automatically open and close according to the right tramlining, according to the right spraying width. So that's a very unique feature. So that's fully automatic and fully independent. And then the last option is where on the E-drive you can choose if you want to go and sow full working width, or if you want to do, for example, for organic farmers, it's very interesting because you can do 1 row and 2, and then in that case you select it, and then that will automatically open the rows, and then you get 30 centimeters row spacing. It means that you can do inter-row cultivation. So that's very easy. That was it for the Quartz terminal. Fantastic box.